Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be attempting to land different sizes of planes on the aircraft carrier in PTFS. So, let's get into it. Our first plane we're going to attempt is the Cessna 402. So let's spawn in that plane right now. Cessna 402 is in light aircraft. Right here, into blue stripe. Just like that. I was actually recording this video earlier, but my Wi-Fi went down, so I had to, wait for the Wi-Fi to come back up before I could actually record again. But it doesn't matter now because the Wi-Fi is back up. So let's take off in our Cessna 402 right now. And sorry if I have my graphics turned way down, because I do. My computer is just a laptop, a old Windows 10 laptop, so it can't run that much graphics, otherwise it lags like crazy. So this video is going to be low graphics. Okay, guys? So just in case, I'm going to turn my volume down because my computer can get really loud. Well, hang on. I cannot control my plane. I cannot control my plane here, guys. Wow! I cannot control my plane. Okay, guys, we're going to have to respawn because for some reason I cannot control my plane. But that happens sometimes, guys. Alright, wait for the game to warm up. E190 right there. Toothpaste Air Canada. Love that. Alright, let's get back in our Cessna 402. Just like that. Hop on in. And if I yell like, Sawyer, get out of here! Finn, get out of here! Mav, get out of here! Sorry, it's because my brothers come in my room. I have 3 brothers, so don't mind if I yell any of that stuff. Okay, meanwhile, let's get in the air. Alright, hopefully this time the plane doesn't completely go out of control. Okay? Alright, so let's fly our plane. Let's fly our plane to HMS Queen Elizabeth. We're already there, so we're going to slow down. Just like this. Put our gear down. PTFS needs to add gear animation. Alright. We are slowed down to landing speed. Alright, we're making our final turn. Just like this. Runway definitely in sight. Alright, we are on final approach for HMS Queen Elizabeth in a Cessna 402. Alright, let's land this baby. Barrel 3907 coming in for HMS Queen Elizabeth. Alright. Let me go up a little bit, so let's go up. I hate these little planes because they're so freaking hard to steer. Alright. Alright. Boom! Butter! That was actually butter. This plane is small, so we shouldn't have any problem slowing down. Just like that. We have landed the plane, just like that. So that was successful. Good. And if you are bothered by this black things down here, don't mind that. That's just for my recording tool. So we're going to delete that plane. And our next plane that we're going to land on the aircraft carrier is going to be a Bombardier Q400. Yeah. All right, let's get our Q400. Q400 is a propeller plane, so shouldn't be much harder than the Cessna 402. Alright, we're going to do flyby. Just like that. A little bit of lag. plane and the Cessna 402 both have only 2 propeller things, so they'd have a similar speed difference. Even though the Q400 is bigger, it doesn't actually go much faster than the 402. Alright, we are coming in. This plane is pretty hard to land because the gear is so far apart. Sorry. It makes it hard to concentrate. You know? Alright. We're coming in. In the first draft of this recording, when the Wi-Fi went down, I actually failed the attempt in the Q400. So let's see if I can redeem myself. Alright. Alrighty. Coming in for final. Just like this. Alright. Ryanair landing. Full reverse thrust. And look at that. Boom. Landed the Q400 on the aircraft carrier. Yay! Alright, but now we have to try and land an even bigger plane on this carrier. And you know what plane's that gonna be? Try and guess in the comments below. I'll give you a hint. It's the most used commercial airliner in the aviation industry. If you said the Boeing 737, you are correct. We are doing the Boeing 737 for the next plane. Then after the 737, we're going to do the A340. And then finally the 747. Okay? Alright, so let's spawn in our 737. And after this can be A340, which is like really long. Super long. And we're gonna get the Ryanair livery because this probably isn't gonna be smooth. In fact, I'm gonna put some Ryanair music in here. So listen for that Ryanair music. Listen for the Ryanair music. You know what? It's too short to put Ryanair music. I'm not going to put any music in here. Alright, let's take off in the Boeing C-137. Guys, can you guys try and guess my favorite plane? Alright, if you guys try and guess my favorite plane. I'll give you guys a hint. The plane is going to be in this video later. I'll give you a hint. It's not an Airbus. It's a Boeing. If you said Boeing 747, you are right. Alright, so let's come in to land in our Ryanair plane. Like this. This is not going to be smooth, exactly like Ryanair. Alright. Turning on final. We need to slow down, stalling. I might have to stall to actually land this. We're going to have to land to the right a little bit because we don't want the wings to hit the buildings. Stall. We're stalling ourselves. Full reverse thrust. Boom! That was not smooth at all, but that's why we did Ryanair. Look at that! Boom diddy bap! Whoa, almost smack on the center line too. Let's look at that. Dude, almost smack on the center line? That's crazy, man. That's just cray. going on. I've actually never tested the air stairs on the 737, so I'm going to do that now. That's actually pretty satisfying, the air stairs. Okay, now I'm going to put it back up. We're going to delete the plane. Our next plane is the A340. And then after that, it's going to be the 747. And then the video ends, sadly. Well, let's get in our A340, which is actually a pretty long plane. So, airliners, A340. And we're going to do Singador. That's funny. Singador. Here we are. I actually never knew that the A340 had 4 engines. I guess I'm just dumb. Wow, this plane is long. Well, the A340 is Airbus's long plane. And the 777 is Boeing's long plane. A340, you can do it. There we go. Well, why'd I call it a little A340? There's nothing little about this plane. There's literally nothing little about this plane right here. It's pretty long. It might be as long as the aircraft carrier itself. I don't know. Why did I put our gear up? We're literally almost already on final. Alright. Coming in, there goes my map. Okay, Singador 3907. Excuse me, 3907. Then we're going to do the same approach as we did with the 737. We're going to stall. We're going to do reverse thrust. Because that's probably the only way to, actually land this plane safely on the carrier. Alright. Alright, coming in. I almost have my hand on the P, which is the reverse thrust button. Alright. A340. Reverse thrust, stall, there we go. A340 has been landed. Don't mind my wing hitting the buildings there. It still counts. And we landed the A340 on the aircraft carrier, just like that. And now, moving on to our final plane, which is the 747. Alright, so let's go to greater rack forward and get in our plane. You know what? Our 747 is not the final plane. Final plane is going to be the An-22 An-22, which is the second biggest plane in the game. I would do the An-225, but you know, it's just that I don't have Robux, so I can't buy it. We're going to do Singador again. This plane is massive, man. It's also my favorite. Let's do 60% throttle. Just like that. Let's take off. Let's take off in our Singador Boeing 747. Let's put ourselves at landing speed like so. And our video has reached 15 minutes now. I can see it because it says right down here. Alright, let's come in. to be. Alright. I like the big planes better than the small planes because the big planes actually turn. The small planes do not turn at all. If you saw with the Cessna 402 at the beginning of the video, that plane did not turn. And neither do any of the small planes. Alright. Coming in. Same strat, we're gonna land on the right. Just like so. Our wings probably still gonna touch the building. Oh, there's lightning. I'm not scared of lightning. I'm stalling. Good. My wing hit the building. But that doesn't matter. What matters is if we land this plane on the carrier, which we did. We just landed the Boeing 747 on the carrier. Like that. Isn't that crazy, guys? But we're not done yet. No, guys, we are not done yet. We still gotta land the An-22 on that carrier right there. Sawyer, what are you doing? I'm recording a video right now. Can you shut the door, please? Shut it all the way. Okay, guys, that was just my brother, Sawyer. He walked in on me. So I just told him to get out. Don't mind me. Let's get in our An-22. Antonov An-22. Antonov Airlines. I like to call this plane the chin plane because... Alright. The An-22 is the biggest propeller plane. Biggest one. It's not as big as the An-225 though, which has 6 jet engines. That is crazy. So let's take off. Alrighty. So far so good. Of course it's good because we haven't even taken off yet. Take off. Slow it down our plane. Just like that. Antonov Bro 3907. 3907, sorry. I forget my aviation language sometimes. Come on, big fat propeller plane. Jeez, this plane is slow. This plane actually only goes like 400 knots because it is a propeller plane. But it does go really slow. I haven't flown it since that video where I actually flew it. So yeah, this is gonna be interesting. It has 8 landing gears. But the An-225 has like 1 billion. We're gonna land this Antonov An-22 on the aircraft carrier in PTFS. Sorry, that's probably the worst song you've ever heard. Alright. Coming in for landing. Same strat as always. Coming in on final. Our video has almost reached 20 minutes, so I'm going to need to end it soon. My finger is on P. We need to go up. I cannot see. Stall myself. Full reversers. My wing hit it. I turned my engine off. My wing hit it. We'll be fine. Oh, wait. What is my plane? I'm jumping up. We landed it. Look, it's almost on center line too. Look at that. Oh, look at that. We just landed the An-22 on the aircraft carrier in PTFS. It's crazy, huh? Well, that's all for this video, guys. So, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. and I will see you guys at the next. And make sure to like and subscribe. See ya!